Medical experts have found the COVID-19 pandemic disproportionately impacts people of color, and in some communities they can have higher levels of hesitancy to get vaccinated. In Fulton County, a new program is making COVID-19 vaccine appointments available to minorities and addressing questions that they have. Joe Hankey explains.
Fulton County has been running 3 vaccine clinics, one in the north end of the county, one at Mercedes-Benz Stadium, and then one at a community center behind me here in southwest Atlanta. Recently, though, county leaders noticed nearly everyone being vaccinated at those clinics was white, a problem the county is now working proactively to address. The Health Equity Program in Fulton County is now reaching out to eligible minority seniors from low-income backgrounds and helping them make appointments for the COVID-19 vaccine. Each month, 2,500 vaccine doses in Fulton are being set aside for the program, along with appointments 3 days a week. County staff are currently calling a list of 4,000 plus seniors based on information from county senior day centers. During the call, the person is interviewed and, if eligible, offered a vaccine appointment. If someone is hesitant, a county nurse will answer their questions. Free rides using shuttles, Uber, and Lyft are offered to help seniors without transportation. Out of 628 seniors called so far, 12% have declined an appointment, but for a variety of reasons. The county found only 2% are outright saying no to the vaccine. Most who decline just want to talk more with their doctor, family, or have outstanding questions, but are considering getting the vaccine.
So we are not seeing tremendously high numbers of those that just simply don't want to be vaccinated, and we are providing the follow-up with those seniors that would like more information.
Fulton County is also working to go to senior centers, churches, and other community gathering places with mobile clinics to help offer the vaccine to predominantly minority communities. Right now, Fulton County is reaching out to people to make appointments for the Health Equity Program and only focusing on seniors. But I'm told as the state's vaccine supply grows and also who is eligible, that list the state controls, that grows, Fulton County will be looking to expand this program.